216. See it, say it, sorted. We are now approaching Nutfield. We will shortly be arriving at Sevenoaks. In the interests of your safety and security, CCTV is in operation on this service. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted. This train terminates at Horsham. We will be calling at Coulston South, Merstham, Redhill, Earlswood, Salfords, Hawley, Gatwick Airport, Three Bridges, Crawley, Ifield, Littlehaven, and Horsham. Welcome aboard this southeastern service to London Charing Cross, calling at London Bridge, Waterloo East, and London Charing Cross. Epsom Downs, calling at Clapham Junction, Wandsworth Common, Balham, Streatham Common, Norbury, Thornton Heath, Selhurst, West Croydon, Wadden, Wallington, Carshalton Beaches, Sutton, Belmont, Banstead, and Epsom Downs. The next station is Clapham Junction.